Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with Remo Bell S, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use Remo Bell S.
Meet the new Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free. This video doorbell is packed with great features. It records in HD video with HDR, has a wide 180-degree diagonal viewing angle, and a unique 1:1 aspect ratio. Optimized for the front door, so you can see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground. Deter unwanted guests with a built-in siren. Hear and speak to visitors with a two-way audio feature. Here's what's included in the box. Attached to the doorbell is the flat mounting plate. The included release pin is used to remove the plate prior to your video doorbell installation. Keep this release pin in a safe place to use later. This is the optional angled mounting plate. Use this plate to provide a better view if your doorbell doesn't face an ideal direction. Here's the long-lasting rechargeable battery and the battery charging cable. This is the wall mount screw kit for mounting. Here's the wire extension kit, in case you need additional wire length to connect your video doorbell when choosing to hardwire to an existing doorbell and chime system to enable continuous charging. The quick start guide will help walk you through the initial setup steps. Setup is quick and easy. Please check out our how-to video for information on how to set up your Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free.
Hi, this is Alexa. May I know the purpose of your visit?
Yeah, I'm here to see Sam.
Do you want to leave a message?
Yeah, my message is this.
What is your message?
The water main's back on.
I will inform the resident. What is your name and phone number?
Beginning of message. I came by, you're not here, I'm leaving.
May I know the purpose of your visit?
Hey guys, I'll try you a little later. I'll text you. Love, Mom.
You live here, bro?
No, I'm just leaving a message.
Thanks for dropping by. Hi, this is Alexa. May I know the purpose of your visit?
Packages for Smith?
Great. Do the packages require a signature?
Nope.
Okay, please leave the packages behind the left side gate.
Sure you got it?
Bye.